on Sunday, but I got an email yesterday from my agent saying I have a job today, and I was like, oh shit, I'm still in the Bay. So bought a plane ticket. It's 7 a.m. right now, on the way back to LA. Then gonna be shooting for Forever 21's Valentine's Day. At Moopoo's, about to get my makeup done. Getting ready for the shoot for Forever 21. What's up, babe? Currently eating oatmeal right before we go to the gym and watching some Forensic Files. I will film during the gym session. Going to the gym now, but took forever because this man got super lazy.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Okay, let's go, babe. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Just got back from casting and stopped by at the facial place. Nathan getting a facial. So I just finished a casting for Goody Hair, and now I am going to Palm Springs. On the way to Palm Springs for the next 2 days for a Tilly shoot. Woohoo! I'm very curious on what or where the shoot's gonna be held at, because it's like raining cats and dogs. Okay, not really anymore, but it's still raining, and I'm pretty sure it's raining in Palm Springs, so it's gonna be a swim shoot. So I'm just like, what we do. At the hotel. My suite is 236. This hotel is so cute. It's like super colorful. I guess this is. How cute. Super colorful. Let's see what outside looks like. Oh. It's kind of dark now, but it's supposed to overlook the pool. Cool, cool. The bathroom's a different color. Cute. So I'm finally at the hotel, and I'm gonna get in a last minute session workout. Nobody's in here, but I like that because I can just go ham and do whatever the fuck I want.
You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily.
We're gonna warm up first.
But I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me.
I just fucking broke another nail. Fuck. Why does this keep happening to me?
I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your
It feels so weird to not sleep with Nathan. I'm all alone in the hotel room, and it's kind of hard to sleep. My call time tomorrow is at 7:30. Probably just gonna read some Reddit before I go to sleep, but I'm not sleepy yet. Did a face mask. Trying to get that glow, you know. I'm kind of breaking out though. That's why I drink Sawaba. Okay. Well, good night. I'll update you guys tomorrow when the shoot starts. So it's almost 7. I'm up. I'm ready for the shoot. I just went downstairs and it's still raining, so I'm kind of like, what are we going to do? But we'll see. I'm meeting them in 15 minutes downstairs, and then we're gonna drive over to the location, which I still don't know where it is. So hopefully it's indoors because it's fucking cold. I ain't trying to get sick, you know.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you, hit you up, I'm on the other side, I miss you, take you off, I came here way too strong, cannot keep it low-key, got me drugged, your pheromones hit the roof, auto, your taste, it's really a bad reception out there, where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. Found myself in between the lines, underneath your bed sheets.
Food is here.
Some game that I will lose, there's no zipping past it. Every time you walk away from me, I want you. How could I want you more?
Finished with the shoot and stole a bunch of water from the Airbnb because motherfucking water at the hotel costs fucking $6. But I came prepared because I stole the water. It's day 2 of the photo shoot. I think it's like 6:45 right now. Gonna meet downstairs at 7:15. Just finished packing and watching a little bit of Forensic Files before we start the day. But,
my hair is like 6 inches short.
about to start the festival makeup. Woohoo! 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 Oh my half of it's done. Oh yeah.
It's
cute.
the glitter.
Oh my god. Oh my god, glitter!
If you're, yes. She's gonna be a second, but you can take
When I was catching your
We'll be done with yourself at 5.
Finished with the shoot. So on the way back, driving home, my space buns are gone, but look at this braid though. I actually don't want to wash my hair, but it's day 3, you know. Gotta keep it clean for the casting tomorrow. But maybe I just won't wash this part. Okay, but driving home now, get to see Boo Boo. So just got off a call with Maybelline and I was so freaking nervous. So I think I did okay. I hope I got it. I'm like, maybe it's Maybelline. Oh my god. Going to Century City now to go to the Harvest Food pop-up. And then afterwards gonna go to Adidas to pick up my poster.
These nuts.
I hate you. Okay, we're at Daily Harvest. Got my drink. It's kind of blurry.
So like people know me as like a women's shoe person. So like when I came in, they're like, what are you
With Ronky today.
I'm trying to use this necklace, but I don't know what this $400 shirt. Oh, maybe there's one in here. Just kidding. Do you think somehow that's not better than my one?
The problem is, I feel like they really show up on this.
I've seen like the ones where people wear like the backpack thing, like it looks like a backpack, and then it holds it for them.
I gotta set up the camera ahead of time. Because once I start using this camera, it's too heavy for me to make changes. And then, there, now she's in focus. And that is a medium format.
That's crazy.
So that's what I would do, is like walk around with that. It's pretty sick. Ready? Here we go. And everything is my fault. So yeah,
Ronky taking us to what's it called? Lumasia?
Lunasia.
Ooh. Dim sum time.
In a restaurant is legit like recording you guys.
It's okay.
This is gonna be a lot easier if I don't use this. I'll just use my camera right now.
Bob. Bob. Hello.
Oh hi, sorry.
His setup is so much better than mine.
I'm down.
In traffic right now on the way to Pinkong to get my nails done before next week. And then after, we're going to watch Glass.
Glass.
Yes, Glass.
You gotta listen up, listen up. There's not a thing that I can get from you. Boy, I don't need that much, need that much. How can I tell you what I wanna do? I never needed you to give me things. I never needed you to.
So, I have facial at 12. It's 11:45. I have to walk super fast right now. And I literally just woke up. Why did I do this? Literally just in time for 12 o'clock. Oh my god, I power walked so fast. I have a cramp now. Change and ready for my facial. I'm breaking out right here, so hopefully getting rid of that. At Beauty Plug Salon, gonna get my lashes done because they fell out. We're going to Shabu again.
We're going home.
We're going home. Oh, it's so cold, and this food didn't bring a jacket. Okay, are you gonna go? Almost there.
Are they even open?
What if they aren't? No, I think they are.
Then our day would be ruined.
Our day will be ruined. Oh my god.
Oh my god, are they closed?
I don't know. What light is it called?
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop.
Good morning, y'all. It's 7:16 right now. I have a shoot with Laser Away today. My call time's at 8, so probably gonna finish my coffee and leave like right after. But yeah, it'll be interesting today because I'm wondering how are they gonna shoot it. Am I gonna get free laser treatment? I'm just kidding. Hello. Shooting with Laser Away today. Always in a bikini. Lighting's like amazing. Look how bomb she looks. Ayy. I would, if possible, maybe a little bit. So, I have work today with GoJane. My call time isn't till 10:30. It's 8:30 right now. Woke up a little bit early. Made me some green juice, celery and lemon. I think I'm gonna leave in about an hour. I totally thought there was gonna be a lot of traffic, so I woke up early, but it's only gonna take an hour and 9 minutes to get there. So I'm gonna just drink my green juice and chill a little bit. Back with Bianca.
Oh, hey, girl.
Oh, hey, girl.
Oh, hey.
We're gonna do blue eyes today?
Yes,
Hey.
blue. Do you want to see the blue we're doing? It's kind of bomb.
It's kind of bomb.
Just wanna dance, want a simple romance, nothing more, nothing less from you. Just stay the night, then we leave when it's like nothing wrong, it's alright with you. No ties, no price, no need, so free. I don't care what you say, what you do, how you feel. As long as you can show me a good time. I don't need promises, honestly, no big deal. As long as you can show me a good time. I don't care. Oh, 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 oh. And the fanciest things couldn't make me believe in us. I'm here for pleasure, so don't you put pressure on me to give into us. All I need is short-term devotion. I don't wanna be so emotional. Just wanna dance, want a simple romance, nothing more, nothing less from you. No ties, no price, no need, free. I don't care what you say, what you do, how you feel. As long as you can show me a good time, I don't need.
Hey guys, so I just wanted to wrap up the video and let you guys know that from now on I'm gonna start naming the videos by number instead of by month, just because my videos are starting to get longer and it's getting even harder to fit it all into one video. So thank you for watching again, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.